What's good, y'all? It's your boy TBT, aka the Brainless Trader, and we are back with another video. Today, we are talking about the easiest risk management strategy that ICT uses to make sure he stays straight in the market. Y'all stay with me. We're about to get into it. All right, let's go.
The one strategy that ICT uses to make sure that he stays out of making too many trades in the market during the week. So this is essentially how he determines when and where he will stop. And the first thing that he really does, and he's taught us to do, is in the beginning of the week, you should be looking for what is the outlook, what is the weekly target, right, from the weekly chart for the pairs that you're trading, right? Typically he starts with the JXY and then just tries to understand where he believes the weekly candlestick is going to print, right? And so if you're looking at this, we're looking at GBP USD, and just looking at this chart alone, we knew that this week we had already come off of a run on liquidity, right? There was a run on liquidity here and here, and we already had one bearish candle, two bearish candles. So this is the candle for this week, right? So we wanted to know what was going to allow us to be able to tell where we're going to end the week or potentially go during the week, right? And so there's a lot of different strategies that he kind of points to as far as, inside days, outside days, what to expect after a certain type of candlestick. But none of that is what I'm referring to here. Currently, what I'm referring to is simply the weekly output. So understanding, where price might start the week off, and then from there, understanding where it might want to go, right? So if we go back down to the daily and we try to see, okay, where did this week start? We most likely started here. This is Monday. And we knew that already you had liquidity to the bottom side, right? You had already ran off liquidity to the upside, to the buy side. And on the sell side, you had some nice liquidity, some relative equal lows that were already close to where you're starting the week off. So just right there and there, this is the beginning of understanding, okay, I know where my potential targets are. If I know where my potential targets are, now I have to line up the PD arrays, right? The PD arrays that ICT talks about, all of the things that he uses to help people get into trades. Now I'm going to use these to help align what I'm thinking price is going to go to. And after the price gets to that target, that's when I know how to stop. So that's the key to understanding this strategy, right? Is you're looking basically at the weekly candle. You're trying to determine, based off of what price is giving you, the feedback price is giving you, how do I know where I should stop making trades for the week? You will know based off of where liquidity is and where price wants to go. If you can understand where price wants to go, then you can understand where you want to go as far as making your trades, entering your trades, right? You will frame your entire setup for the entire week, right? Where your trades want to be. And then from there, you can say, okay, I'm targeting this area. If price continues to align PD arrays, align signals within the market, along with the news and things like that are going to continue towards this target. Once I hit this target, boom, I'm done for the week. So I'm going to illustrate to you now. Once you know the weekly outlook based off of the candlesticks and based off of where liquidity is, I'm going to show you how you can then get into the trades. And once you get into those trades and you've actually, superseded where that liquidity was that you were looking at, then you can stop, right? And so the bottom line up front is you want to be thinking with a humble brain, humble mindset, right? A lot of times I like to talk about psychology, basically because a lot of times that psychology can help you align exactly where you want to be during the week and where you're trading and keep your mindset correct, right? So a lot of what I do is using what ICT has taught here, determining where price wants to go, and then from there I can be confident in the trades and the things that I'm trying to set up for myself, knowing that at some point, whenever price does, if it does reach this level of liquidity, I'm going to stop, like I'm going to be done.